Hello, everybody. Tony DeCresie here with Freight Brokers Academy, and I'm here to give you an update on our Freight Broker Business Program that just passed the 1 year mark not too long ago and has been sold out recently. We're not even accepting any new candidates at the moment, but I'm here to announce a exciting new development. We're restructure the program. We're looking for partners to join us in building the biggest, baddest, most profitable freight broker businesses on the face of the earth. We're willing to partner with you if you meet certain basic minimum qualifications. Number one, I'm looking for people that are already in the trucking business. You own a trucking business, and you need to have a minimum of 10 trucks or more. We might consider some smaller entities, but basically we're looking for a certain amount of volume. When we start getting the brokerage business cranking, we're going to need as many trucks as possible. So preferably 20 to 50 trucks, 100 trucks, the more the better. Um, we're looking for people that are tired, quite frankly, of working hard, spending tons of money. I've been in the trucking business. I've been a co-owner of a trucking business. I know how much money you put out. I know how expensive trucks and trailers are. I know what the cost of repairs and maintenance are. Diesel keeps going up. Insurance costs keep going up. It's difficult to keep good drivers. It's really challenging to find good shippers that'll pay you decent rates per load. All of these things. Trucking business is a tough business. It's a 7 day a week, 24-hour a day business. I know. I was the dispatcher for my trucking company for about a year and a half. I got calls every hour of the day and night, 7 days a week, weekends, holidays, morning, noon, and night, 3 o'clock in the morning. Trucks broke down out in the middle of nowhere. Trucking business is tough. I'm here to show you a better way. I'm here to show you how instead of generating two, three, four, $5 million gross and hardly making any money for yourself personally, I'm here to show you how to 10 times your net income. That's right, 10 times the amount of net income that you're currently making by putting together and partnering with us and building a freight brokerage business to go along with your trucking business. I'll show you how to do it quickly, simply, and stress free. We will partner with you. We will hold your hand. We will show you every step of the way exactly what to do, how to do it, when to do it, why to do it, how to do it best. And in many cases, we will do it for you. It doesn't get any better than this. But not for everybody. Again, minimum requirements. I'm looking for people that are already in business, already in the trucking business, bare minimum 10 trucks or more, and are looking to make a ton of money and are willing to dedicate the time and effort and resources that it's going to take. We'll partner with you. We'll show you exactly how to do it. We'll work with you every step of the way. I will personally help you to build a dynamic and aggressive sales force of freight agents that know how to get good paying accounts, good paying loads for your trucks and for other trucks. So again, you're not limited. That's the benefit of being in the freight brokerage business. You're not limited to just your own trucks. We're going to help you to build a fleet of thousands of trucks that will be at your disposal when you need them. And this is one of the keys to building a dynamic and extremely profitable freight brokerage business. We can show you how, we'll help you to do it, we'll partner with you. If you're interested in making tons of money and, quite frankly, taking the shortcut where you don't have to learn and make all the mistakes yourself, we're looking for a very select few individuals that already have some resources or already in the trucking business and are looking to take their business and their lifestyle to the next level. If that's you, go ahead and go to our website, freightbrokersacademy.com, click on set up a 30-minute conversation with Tony. That's me. We'll kind of discuss what your situation is. We'll make sure this is, in fact, a program that will work for you and that you've got the kind of resources that we're looking for as well to partner with, because I will personally be working with you one-on-one. This is not an online training program. This is not a book. This is not videos. You'll get some of that, of course, but this is where we're working with you one-on-one. and helping you put together the most dynamic and profitable business you have ever seen and that you will ever be a part of. Freight Broker Business Success. If you're interested, click on the link below or go to our website, freightbrokersacademy.com. Sign up for a 30-minute one-on-one free consultation with me to see if this is the right opportunity for you.